In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on desktop notifications on Roblox. So if you want to turn on desktop notifications for Roblox on your laptop, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox website. So go to roblox.com, then make sure you're logged into your account. Now, once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. Now in here, tap on Settings. Now, inside Settings, look at the left side menu and click on Notifications. Now, in here, you'll see different types of notifications you can enable, such as desktop, experience, and community notifications. Now, what you need to do is to click on Desktop Notifications. After that, tap on Manage Channel. So, this will enable desktop notifications. So, turn it on, tap on it to enable it. Now go through each option and turn on the notifications you want by toggling them on. Now this next step is very important for desktop notifications. Now at the top of your browser near the website address, click on the lock icon or site settings, then look for notifications. Now make sure it is set to allow. So click on the drop down arrow and click on allowed. Now if it's set to block, Roblox won't be able to send you desktop notifications. Now, after allowing notifications, refresh the page to apply the changes. And now, whenever you receive messages, friend requests, or updates, you'll start getting desktop notifications on your laptop. And that's it. That's how you turn on desktop notifications on Roblox using a laptop. Thanks for watching.